Hello beautiful people, today I want to share with you what is taking me to become a product UI UX designer. As you know, I am a graphic designer and I've been on the field for about 2 years now. Why I decided to pursue this new career instead of being just a graphic designer? After working in many different projects for different companies, I realized that I enjoy designing more for the web or designing digital products. Last summer in 2017, I designed an application for myself, and this application taught me that I did enjoy designing applications more than anything else. After designing this application, I decided to put it on my portfolio and decide to apply for jobs. Most of the jobs that I decided to apply after I designed the applications were to work as a digital graphic designer. And to my surprise, I was getting invited to job interviews to most of the jobs that I applied. After many job interviews, I realized that a lot of these companies weren't actually looking for a digital graphic designer. They were looking more for a graphic designer for print. And that wasn't very appealing to me, so I just wait, and that was probably the best decision that I did, because after a month I was invited to work on a project for this startup Mobile Coach. At this company Mobile Coach, I was introduced to design as a UI UX designer and work on dashboards for the company, and that was very appealing to me. That was very interesting for me. After I finished a few projects for this company, I realized that I didn't have to go back to school to learn UI UX design and to spend 4 or 3 years studying and then go out and look for a job and with the hopes of getting a job as a UI UX designer. So what I did was to apply for another company, and this company would allow me to work and focus only on an application, only to work as a UI UX designer. If you are a graphic designer and you want to become a product UI UX designer, I think you can do this in a few months. You have the design aesthetics, and all you need to do is to apply your design aesthetics into a project that you enjoy and put it on your portfolio. You can learn as you go. You don't have to become an expert to apply for jobs. You can apply right now to UI UX design jobs. There is a big difference working as a UI UX designer than as a graphic designer. And the big difference is this one. As a graphic designer, you design everything very creative. Everything, almost you design for yourself. Of course, you design for a specific audience, but it's probably half for yourself and half for your audience. That's the reality, working as a graphic designer. But working as a UI UX designer, everything you design is designed based on the user need. Anyways guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below if you want me to share a little bit more of my experience working as a UI UX designer.